Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the original Tecno charger and cable. That ensures the right voltage and handshake. Plug into a wall outlet, not a power strip, because direct power reduces loss. Once connected, turn on airplane mode and lower brightness to near zero so background processes don't draw current. Make sure you close all active apps and enable battery saver. These first steps reduce drain, so incoming power fills the battery faster, rather than compensating for usage. Now optimize the environment and settings to accept higher current. Remove the case so heat dissipates. Batteries charge quicker when cool. If your Tecno has a fast charge toggle or supports PD/Pump Express, enable it in settings. This allows higher amperage. Plug directly into the wall outlet and avoid laptop or power bank ports that limit current. Once done, keep the phone face up with ventilation and don't use it while charging. Active use generates heat and slows charging efficiency. To finish, consider unplugging at 80 to 90% to balance speed and battery health. If you must reach 100%, wait through the slow trickle phase. If charging stalls or is slow despite settings, swap in another original charger and cable to isolate hardware. Make sure the USB-C port is clean and free of lint. Compressed air can help. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to rule out rogue apps and install any system updates that include charging fixes before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.